Transferring Lyft cash to a bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To transfer Lyft cash to a bank account, you can use direct deposit. So Lyft offers a direct deposit option for drivers to have their earnings deposited directly into their bank account. And you can set up direct deposit in the Lyft driver dashboard or application. Also, you can use Express Pay. Lyft provides an Express Pay feature that allows drivers to cash out their earnings instantly. This feature usually has a small fee associated with it. And to use Express Pay, you need to have a valid debit card and meet the minimum cash out amount. Some regions may offer a Lyft debit card, which can be used to access your earnings and make purchases. Then, check if this option is available in your area, or you can check with Lyft support. If you have specific questions about transferring Lyft cash or accessing your earnings, you can reach out to Lyft support for assistance. They can provide guidance based on your specific situation.